Yumichan here with another video, and today's video is a SCRAWLR box unboxing video. Now, I'm super psyched for this to have come in. This is the August box, so let's get into unpacking this. I'm just gonna pull it towards me just to get this one piece off, just because my address is on it, so I don't want anyone to see what it is. And ooh, look at that! We're looking good. So we're just gonna quickly go through the materials one by one, and then we're going to get into it. So we got the SCRAWLR design as per usual, which gives you tips and tricks. Oh, and a beautiful piece. This is gorgeous. And it's by Bastien Marianne, BAP 2, between spontaneity and dynamic painting strokes. BAP 2 seeks in each portrait to convey emotion and sensitivity. Self-taught and at first rocked by the underground universe, he then decided to turn to the practice on canvas to devote himself to new creation, study, and experiment different techniques. That's awesome. So let's open this. It is kind of broken already, so we're just gonna tear it apart. So we got this little candy called Bubbly. It's probably a bubble gum. So let's get this. So this is the August month. It's all about texture and how application can be manipulated to give an added dimension to your artwork. We have included a heavy body acrylic paints, which are thick and sculptural, plus the tools to apply them in various ways, but don't stop there. So the first thing we got is Daler Rowney System 3 heavy body acrylics. So we have processed blue, lemon yellow, as well as processed magenta, which are three primary colors, which are going to give us a variety of different colors. The next thing we got is this Pro Art Series 60 Prolon brush with tinted nylon for multimedia purposes, which means that this brush can also probably be used for watercolor as well. And it feels amazing, so I'm excited to use it. And then we got a 2B pencil by Staedtler, Mars Ergosoft. According to this, it was supposed to be an HD pencil, not a 2B. Okay, well, whatever. I got Faber-Castell. This is Staedtler. Okay, whatever. We're not gonna get into it. Anyways, it's a 2B pencil by Staedtler. It's just a regular pencil from what I can tell. And then the last thing in here, which is really good. Oh, okay. So here's the thing. It's the Faber-Castell 9000 2B pencil. Is a classic pencil launched by Count Alexander von Faber-Castell in 1905. Each pencil features a graphite black lead, which is made to very finely ground graphite and clay. This combination ensures that the pencil performs a smooth application and is never scratchy. Its lead is fully bonded by the wood surrounded, which makes it particularly break resistant. So that's it. Was an edit. And the other thing that we have is a palette knife card. This palette knife card is great for creating various textural dimension to your artwork. You can cut it, slice it, bend it, and more to bring texture to the heavy body acrylics. It can also be used for mixing your colors before application, keeping your paints pure and brushes clean. So I think that I've seen this before in another SCRAWLR box unboxing video, way before I started getting a SCRAWLR box. So I'm actually excited to use this because this can be used in various ways. So yeah. Let's see the sticker, because I like adding to my sticker collection. Oh, I love this. I can't wait to add it to my sketchbook. And then last but not least, in here is art boards. These art boards are perfect for all your painting and mixed media needs. They are lightweight and sturdy and pre-primed surface ready for direct paint application. They are hard-wearing media surfaces laminated with Optima mixed media paper, ideal for all your artistic masterpieces. So we're probably going to test the material on a separate piece of paper than this, but we're probably going to do something with this. Let's see what the SCRAWLR challenges. So it says facial topography, Each box provides you with a selection of art supplies and inspiration. We also want to spark creativity. Every month we'll give a challenge, word, or phrase to be interpreted however you wish. Try and create something using only the supplies in this box. Good luck, and don't forget to share your creation with us. So, not sure what topography is, but I guess we'll figure it out. So yeah, let's get into recording the rest of the video. We're gonna make something with this. Okay, so typically I record the process for sketching. However, I could not seem to get the idea down that I wanted when it came down to it. So I had gone out for a walk yesterday and ended up sketching it at the beach. So I don't have a recording of it. However, I'm going to show you guys what I plan on making and what the idea behind this is. And then we're gonna jump into testing the supplies. So this is the idea here. So I'm basically gonna just probably do finger paint. I'm probably not gonna touch the paintbrush at all in there. And I'm gonna use the palette for, to give it some sort of texture or something. But I'm also gonna go, typically I try to stick to the SCRAWLR box materials, but I'm actually going to go outside of the SCRAWLR box material and get the drip paint that I have, because I'm going to do, all the black lines that are very sketchy, probably using the drip paint technique. So let's get into testing all the supplies that we have, and then we'll get into painting.
listening to a pre-recorded outro. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified, and I'll see you all in the next video. Yumi-chan, over and out.